What's up, plant warriors? Today I'm going to give you 7 mind-blowing tips to make your aloe vera thrive like never before. In fact, by the end of this video you'll want 100 of these in your house. And if you stick around to tip number 7, I'll show you a wild experiment that turns a droopy aloe into a super plant in 24 hours. Let's go! Tip number 1, use a pot that drains like crazy. Aloe vera hates soggy feet. I'm talking terracotta with big holes. Soil, forget your regular potting mix. Go for cactus or succulent mix, super fast draining. See this pot? It's waterlogged. The other drains in seconds. That's the difference between a sad aloe and a happy aloe. Timing strategy. I'm showing this early so you're hooked. No one wants a dead plant by tip number 7. Next up, light. Aloe loves bright light. I'm talking 6 to 8 hours of sunlight, but beware, direct scorching noon sun might fry your leaves. Here's the power window move. Morning sun, plus bright indirect light the rest of day. Alder happy leaves. Pause the video, go count the light your window gets in a day, and tell me in the comments where your aloe is sitting. Tip 3. The watering hack. Aloe are survivors. They store water in their leaves, so when you water, deep soak then wait until the soil is bone dry before next drink. If you water too often, boom! You'll get squishy leaves. Rot starts creeping in. Too little? Leaves wrinkle. You want the sweet spot. Write in the comments, when was the last time you watered your aloe? Let's see who's got a green thumb. Tip 4, create the right environment. Aloe vera like 55-80 degrees in for 13-27 degree Vc. If it drops below freezing, trouble. If your indoor heater's blasting, leaves will dry out. And don't forget air circulation. A stale room equals mold risk, so crack a window now and then. Strategy, we're past the basics, viewers are already invested, time to ramp up the visuals and keep energy high. Tip 5. Fertilizer time, but only once or twice a year. In spring or early summer use a diluted balanced fertilizer, or one for succulents. Over-fertilizing? Hello burned roots and weird growth. And stay tuned, tip number 7 involves what happens if you skip this step. You'll be shocked. Sixth tip, pruning and propagation. See these baby pups at the base? These are your gold mine. Remove them, let dry for a day, repot them and bam, you've got more plants. Also, twist off any mushy leaves, those are trouble. Show us your pup count in the comments. I'll pick one lucky comment and showcase it in the next video. Okay folks, tip 7 is the big one, the experimental rescue mission. I took this sad aloe, shows droopy plant, gave it a full treatment, new pot, fresh soil, deep soak, bright light, skip fertilizing for a month, and added a morning mist ritual. Result? Leaves plump, green, upright, like a plant superhero. If your aloe is sad, this is your blueprint. I challenge you to follow it, film your 30-day rescue, and tag me. I'll feature the best transformation on my channel. Alright plant warriors, that's the 7 killer tips for your aloe vera. Right pot and mix, light water temp and air feed, prune and propagate rescue mission. If you got value, hit that like, smash subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss my next insane plant makeover. I've got something wild coming. Drop a comment below. Which tip surprised you the most? Also tag a friend who needs an aloe rescue. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. And remember, your plants can be legendary.